Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, we're taking a walking tour of Sant Miguel Beach in Barcelona, Spain. As we walk along the shore, you'll notice the beautiful palm trees that line the beach. They provide some much needed shade on a hot summer day, and they add a tropical touch to the surroundings. If you're feeling adventurous, you can rent a paddle board or a kayak and explore the sea. The calm waters are perfect for these activities, and it's a great way to get some exercise while taking in the beautiful views. As we make our way back, you'll notice the lovely beach bars and restaurants that line the boardwalk. These are the perfect spots to grab a refreshing drink or a bite to eat while taking in the stunning view of the sea. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Sant Miguel Beach. If you did, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel content.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!